Hello, toddlers! Get ready for 18 super animal voices that will make you laugh, clap, and learn. Dog. Sheep. Cow. Pig. Duck. Horse. Donkey. Rooster. Elephant. Lion. Chicken. Goat. Owl. Monkey. Turkey. Bee. Great listening! You discovered 18 super animal voices today. Keep copying and having fun every day. Hi kids, let's learn 18 awesome animal voices together. Listen carefully and try to roar, buzz, and quack along. Cat. Dog. Sheep. Cow. Pig. Duck. Goat. Horse. Donkey. Elephant. Lion. Rooster. Monkey. Owl. Parrot. Bee. Crow. Fantastic! You learned 18 awesome animal voices today. Play them again and share with your friends.
Hi friends, let's enjoy 20 happy animal voices that will bring smiles and laughter to everyone. Sheep. Dog. Pig. Duck. Goat. Horse. Donkey. Rooster. Elephant. Lion. Monkey. Owl. Parrot. Awesome! You listened to 20 happy animal voices. Keep smiling and learning with them. Cat.
Welcome, kids! Get ready for 15 exciting animal sounds with fun music that you'll love to copy. Cat. Cow. Pig. Sheep. Duck. Goat. Horse. Donkey. Elephant. Lion. Rooster. Chicken. Monkey. Owl. Fantastic! You enjoyed 15 exciting animal sounds with music. Let's do it again next time. Hello, kids! Let's have fun with 18 super animal voices. Make sure to copy each sound with us. Cat. Dog. Cow. Pig. Sheep. Duck. Goat. Donkey. Horse. Elephant. Lion. Monkey. Rooster. Chicken. Owl. Parrot. Bee. Fantastic work! You copied 18 super fun animal voices. Keep practicing and smiling every day.
Hi friends, get ready to hear 16 fun animal voices that will make you smile and learn at the same time. Cat. Sheep. Dog. Cow. Pig. Duck. Elephant. Horse. Rooster. Donkey. Lion. Goat. Chicken. Monkey. Owl. Turkey. Well done! You copied 16 fun animal voices perfectly. Try them again with your friends and family.
Welcome, friends! Let's enjoy 20 special animal voices with happy music that you'll love. Dog. Cow. Sheep. Duck. Horse. Goat. Donkey. Elephant. Lion. Monkey. Chicken. Owl. Rooster. Parrot. Frog. Bee. Crow. Turkey. Great learning! You enjoyed 20 special animal voices with music. Let's sing and learn again. Hello kids, it's happy time. Let's copy 15 animal voices together with joy and fun. Dog. Cat. Pig. Cow. Sheep. Duck. Goat. Horse. Donkey. Elephant. Lion. Monkey. Rooster. Chicken. Owl. Wonderful! You copied 15 happy animal voices. Clap for yourself and keep learning more. Hi friends! Today we'll learn 16 brilliant animal sounds that are fun and easy to copy. Dog. Sheep. Pig. Cow. Duck. Horse. Donkey. Elephant. Lion. Chicken. Monkey. Frog. Bee. Excellent! You enjoyed 16 brilliant animal sounds. Keep learning and having fun every day. Catch! Hi kids! Let's have fun with learning. Copy these 18 lovely animal sounds with me. Dog. Pig. Sheep. Cock. Duck. Horse. Donkey. Goat. Elephant. Lion. Monkey. Rooster. Owl. Parrot. Wonderful, you copied 18 lovely animal sounds. Great job. Keep learning happily. Welcome, friends. Let's hear the top 19 animal voices and copy them all together. Cat. Cow. Hi everyone! Let's learn 17 wonderful animal sounds that will make your day full of fun and joy. Dog. Cat. Sheep. Pig. Duck. Goat. Donkey. Horse. Rooster. Elephant. Lion. Monkey. Chicken. Bee. Parrot. Excellent! 17 wonderful animal sounds. Keep practicing and having fun every day. Hey friends, let's enjoy 16 funny animal voices that will make you laugh and learn at the same time. Cat. Sheep. Dog. Pig. Duck. Goat. Donkey. Horse. Rooster. Elephant. Lion. Chicken. Monkey. Owl. Parrot. Super work! You copied 16 funny animal voices. Try them again with your friends and family. Hey friends, let's laugh and play. Copy these 15 funny animal voices with music. Dog. Cat. Pig. Cow. Duck. Goat. Horse. Donkey. Elephant. Lion. Monkey. Rooster. Yay! Copied 15 funny voices. Keep laughing and learning every day. Hello, toddlers! Today we'll enjoy a rainbow of fun. Copy these 16 colorful sounds with me. Dog. Cow. Pig. Horse. Sheep. Elephant. Donkey. Lion. Monkey. Chicken. Rooster. Frog. Bee. Fantastic! You copied 16 colorful sounds, bright and happy just like you. Cat. Hi kids, let's get clever today. Copy these 17 smart animal voices together. Dog. Cat. Sheep. Pig. Duck. Goat. Donkey. Lion. Monkey. Rooster. Chicken. Frog. Parrot. Excellent, you learned 17 smart voices. You're a genius at animal sounds. Welcome kids, let's smile and sing. Here come 18 happy animal sounds for you. Dog. Pig. Sheep. Duck. Goats. Horse. Donkey. Elephant. Lion. Monkey. Rooster. Chicken. Owl. Frog. Bee. Wonderful! You copied 18 happy sounds. smiles and claps for you today. Hi, toddlers. Let's learn 19 cool animal sounds. Are you ready to copy them all with me? Dog. Cat. Sheep. Pig. Cow. Duck. Horse. Goat. Donkey. Elephant. Lion. Owl. Chicken. Monkey. Rooster. Frog. Parrot. Bee. Turkey. Awesome job! You copied 19 cool animal sounds. Well done, toddlers. You are amazing. Hey, kids! It's time to enjoy 19 wonderful animal sounds together. Let's make this adventure extra fun. Dog. Cat. Cow. Pig. Sheep. Duck. Goat. Horse. Donkey. Rooster. Elephant. Lion. Chicken. Monkey. Owl. Turkey. Bee. Crow. Awesome work! You enjoyed 19 animal sounds today. Listen again and keep having fun with animals. Dog. Hi, little learners. Today we'll enjoy 20 cute animal voices together. Let's listen and copy each one. Dog. Monkey. Goat. Rooster. Elephant. Lion. Chicken. Monkey. Owl. Turkey. Bee. Parrot. Frog. Great job! You learned 20 cute animal voices today. Keep having fun and practice every day. Welcome, kids! Let's hear the 15 best animal sounds that you'll love to copy. Ready? Let's go! Cat. Cow. Sheep. Pig. Horse. Goat. Duck. Elephant. Donkey. Rooster. Lion. Owl. Monkey. Chicken. Awesome! You discovered the 15 best animal sounds today. Keep listening and laughing with them. Dog. Hello, kids. Today we'll explore 15 amazing animal sounds together. Listen carefully and try to copy each sound. Dog. Cow.
Cat.
Sheep. Pig. Horse. Rooster. Duck. Goat. Donkey. Elephant. Lion. Chicken. Owl. Monkey. Great job! You learned 15 amazing animal sounds today. Keep practicing and have fun with animals. Send your next script anytime. Hey friends, ready to be awesome? Let's copy 19 super cool animal Hi, lovely kids! Let's dance with joy. Copy these 20 lovely animal sounds with music. Dog. Sheep. Pig. Cow. Duck. Goat. Horse. Donkey. Elephant. Lion. Monkey. Rooster. Chicken. Owl. Frog. Parrot. Crow. Turkey. You copied 20 lovely sounds. Keep singing and learning with joy. Hello, toddlers! Today's adventure is full of 17 magical animal sounds that will make learning exciting. Dog. Cow. Pig. Sheep. Duck. Goat. Horse. Donkey. Rooster. Elephant. Lion. Chicken. Monkey. Owl. Turkey. Frog. Wonderful! You listened to 17 magical animal sounds. Keep practicing and enjoy every sound.
Hello, kids. Get ready for 19 fantastic animal sounds that will make learning full of fun and energy. Dog. Cat. Pig. Cow. Sheep. Duck. Donkey. Goats. horse, rooster, lion, elephant, monkey, chicken, owl, bee, turkey, frog, great job, you copied 19 fantastic animal sounds. Keep practicing and enjoy learning every day.
Hello, toddlers! Today's learning is about 16 lovely animal voices that are fun and easy to follow. Dog, pig, cow, sheep, duck, goat, horse, donkey, elephant, lion, chicken, monkey, owl, turkey, frog, great listening! You copied 16 lovely animal voices. Try them again with your family and friends. Hello, toddlers! Let's make some noise. Time to copy 17 great animal voices together. Dog, cat, cow, duck, goat, horse, elephant, donkey, lion, monkey, rooster, owl, frog, bee, fantastic! You copied 17 great voices. Practice smiles. Welcome, kids! Today we'll learn 17 animal sounds with happy background music. Let's sing and play along. Dog, Goat. Horse. Elephant. Rooster. Donkey. Lion. Owl. Chicken. Monkey. Turkey. Bee. Fantastic! You just learned 17 animal sounds with music. Keep singing and roaring with joy.